This is an example of a forecasting tool we developed for a pharmaceutical company. It has a number of options across years with actuals, originals, and there's also a simulation concept that they had for this particular project. It was pretty complicated, where they could simulate various options into the forecast that they wanted to choose. So it's an example of how we can use Excel to bring data together and then present a forecast model. So this one, we'd have forecast data that will be uploaded through the click of a button here, FTE costs and rep equivalents, as well as market share projections were included and uploaded with a function. It would then present a profit and loss across various options for them to filter if they're interested in seeing particular lines of business, particular sales teams, and it would have the forecasts and the original, the budgets. The various other reports are available, all driven through pivot tables that are automated and simple to use, and then other custom reports are produced. So that's one example. This was used across their sales team to monitor and track their achievement of their targets.